A very good morning, my dear students. So, children, today I will teach you moral science, and today we'll do the revision of lesson 3, 5 loaves and 2 fish. As you all know, children, we have done first page of this lesson, that is page 12. Now today we will do page 13 of lesson 3, 5 loaves and 2 fish. Okay, one thing I want to tell you, children, this story, 5 loaves and 2 fish. Okay, this story has been taken from the Holy Bible. From the Holy Bible. Do you know, children, what is a Bible? It is the religious book of Christian. Okay, the way Hindu, they are having Bhagavad Gita, then Muslims religious book is Quran, and Sikh it is Guru Granth Sahib. So in the same manner, Holy Book of Christian is Bible, and this story, 5 loaves and 2 fish, it has been taken from from the Holy Bible. Okay, now let's come to page number 13. So till then we have seen that the little boy, the main character is the little boy who was interested in listening stories. And one day Jesus came for a visit near his house, and he told his mother that, Mama, Jesus is here and I want to go and hear the stories. So Mama said, okay child, you can go, but you have to take what? Mother gave him a basket, and it had 5 small loaves and loaves of bread and 2 fish to eat. So she said to her son that, eat when you feel hungry. The little boy left the house quickly, and he reached the place where Jesus had come. Now many people, they were already there, and they all loved to listen to Jesus. So now come to page 13. Okay, here it is written, Jesus told stories one after another, and people were quietly listening to him. So Jesus was telling them stories, and all the people, they were sitting quietly and they all were listening to the stories quietly. After some times, people were hungry. Now, after some time, what happened, children? The people all were hungry. So Jesus asked, has anyone got something to eat? Everyone said no in chorus and shook their heads. So together they all said no, and then they shook their head that they have nothing to eat. Now, suddenly the boy remembered. Yes, his mother had given him what, children? 5 loaves and 2 fish to eat. He thought to himself, Mother had given it to me. She had told me to eat when I felt hungry. So what happened, children? He remembered, this little boy, that mother, she gave him what? 5 loaves and 2 fish to eat, and she also told her that when he feel hungry, he can eat that. So he remembered, and now he is thinking that what should he do? Should he tell to Jesus that he has something? Okay, so children, so for today this much is enough. The last paragraph now we'll do tomorrow. Till then, children, please go through the whole story again. Okay, because question can come even from between. Okay, children, for your periodic exam, question can come from between also. Go through the story again and again. Okay, tomorrow again we will meet and we'll continue the same lesson. Till then, goodbye and take care.